Hello experts, and welcome to Embark's Quick Tips video page. Today, we'll be going over where our videos live and how you can upload your own Quick Tips video to the platform. To start, you'll notice we're on Embark's Quick Tips video page. Here, you can view all videos by other experts, as well as videos you might upload yourself. To upload your own video, you'll want to head over to your profile icon and scroll down to My Videos. Here, you'll click Videos, and see you'll have the option to upload your own video. Choose a file from your desktop and open it on the platform. And as it uploads, you'll notice you have the option to update its title, description, put it in a category, and add some tags, as well as a customized cover image. For video uploads, file format should be MP4, M4V, or MOV. Cover images can be JPEG or PNG files, with the recommended size of 1280 by 720 pixels. Now that our video is uploaded, let's give it a title, description, select the category that it best fits in, and add some tags, just in case people search for videos on the platform and might look for a video like yours. You want to separate your tags by comma, just to make sure they actually get listed. Once everything's good to go, you'll select upload, and your video will be available on the platform shortly. If you have any issues uploading, please feel free to reach out to us here at Embark.live.